Hello guys, this is our 17th video on the series Human Nature series. See, some topics I have discussed with you were from book, and the other ones that I am connecting with my life, or they are kind of influenced by my life, or in some videos I have also mentioned about my thoughts, my philosophies. So again, in this video also, we are going to talk about some aspect, and specifically my focus would be on in today's video. My focus would be on the uncertainties that we often or that we deal with when we try to do something good or something kind of efficient to boost our information, to boost our knowledge, to boost our memory, or something in the process of development, or something we initiate to make ourselves more better, or kind of to improve ourselves, to become the better version of ourselves. So whenever we decide, it generally happens with everyone. So whenever we decide to initiate some steps, to do some task, and we decide them to do in a consistent manner, because those tasks, if if did consistently, those tasks would improve us, would improve our condition, our mental health, our emotional health, and overall personality of ours. But what happens when, as the time goes, as the time runs, we gradually get away, or we gradually lose interest in whatever we do? Kind of, if we were studying, or we have decided to study, we had decided to study regularly, then after 7 or 8 days, or after 10 days, 15 days, we begins to lose interest in that, and slowly we turn away from that. We use to kind of, we begin to you know to show back to those tasks, and it happens in a gradual way. Okay, on the very first day, your mood will not kind of you would not feel that you are having a mood of mood of studying. And yes, this takes, this is added up with other things, like on first day you didn't have mood to study, so but you anyhow maintained or managed to do some topics. On the other day, you will not even you would study a little bit, and on the third day you will not even touch the book. So this happens. And if you kind of if you manage to kind of realize this, realize your inconsistency, or when you are breaking your consistent efforts, then you can save yourself. Then you can check yourself by destroying, or by moving away from your goal, or moving away from your whatever task that you have mentioned, or that you have decided to do, and you can continue your progress. And as I'm telling this to you, I have also kind of realized that yes, I'm losing my interest in studies. I am losing kind of I have started to procrastinate study and doing written work. I'm moving my hands, or kind of I'm just reluctant to study more, or read the concept, and overall I'm confused also. What to study, how to study, what time I should give to which topic. And these just these feelings are just crushing me, kind of making me frustrated. I have realized this, that yes, I began to you know move away from the path. I began to derail, but I have to check myself going away, and I have to make myself. I have to kind of pull myself again on the tracks, and I have to move myself. I have to push myself, because uh, you know the point comes whenever we decide to have consistent efforts. A time come, or the moments come when we just don't want to just don't want to do anymore, but we have to pull to some distance. We have to pull ourselves to some distance. Then we will be naturally, when we pull something, when we kind of push something, so like a car, after going some distance, it got started and just get its speed again. So yes, I have kind of realized that yes, the time has come where I have to push myself to some distance. And yes, I have to kind of change my attitude towards this, because yeah, I'm not going to change my aim, my kind of goal, but the way. I'm going to change the way I was thinking about that. Yeah, and yes, it is just kind of between me and me. So no other person is going to involve, and I'm not going to let anyone involve in this. No teachers, not their proud, not their expectation, not even my parents, because it is just about me. I'm going to study, not for the result, but for the paper that I would be reading or I would be doing. Okay, so I have to work harder. I have to work harder, not to show anyone, but to prove myself that yes, when I decided to do something, I have, kind of, I can achieve it. So this is not going to be a kind of instant process, but yeah, it is going to be a consistent one. As I told you that I have begun to derail, but I assure you that I'm going to pull myself on the tracks again, and with a changed mindset, a change attitude, a positive one. You know, I will choose positive one, and yes, again, I'll be starting with speed, and yeah, consistency is what matters. So I'm going to be consistent again. First of all, I have to restructure everything, and yeah, I assure you that I'm going to take some steps to study efficiently, do my topics thoroughly, and I will kind of apply, or uh, some strategies, some kind of really really good strategies to achieve that goal. Okay, different from this, I need to talk something about something about philosophical. So here I think the relationship between you and you is most important when it comes to proving yourself. I mean, you can be anything, but you must be someone who should have respect towards you. You know, I'm saying that you have to be someone that who just can go to any extent to kind of to uphold his own ideas, his own doctrines, and you have to be that way because then only you can, you know, earn respect in your own eyes. Because it's uh, it's not difficult to earn, to get respect from others. It is not difficult to show anyone other ones, but it is much more difficult to prove yourself to you. Because when it is about you, you know every second of your life, you know every, second, where are you going or what things are you doing. But when it comes to others, they don't know. They just kind of know your, they just interested in the result. But you are the one and only who go through each and every process, each and every second of the process. So it becomes, and you cannot hide yourself, your flaws. You cannot hide yourself to you, right? And that is why you have to be very much wary about it when it comes to prove you. So here, um, I have decided to do this, and yes, I have to be much more conscious about it so that I cannot lose my respect, but to earn it, but to but earn it. Yeah, and when it is about proving yourself, it is about improving, it is about growing, it is about development, it is about becoming more stronger. You have to go by yourself. You have to be alone. Because when you work for other people, when you work to show them, when you would require their attention, then what rubbish are you doing? Would be doing? Because your every kind of reaction, your every um, kind of feeling would influenced by them. If they are disrespecting you, it's okay. If they are respecting you, it's okay. They should not be the factors of affecting you. They should not be the kind of, they should not have that power, or you must not let them have the power to influence you. You don't have to talk to anyone. You don't have to kind of give reaction to anyone. You don't have to answer anyone. You don't have to show your attitude to others. Just keep yourself to yourself. Okay. And when you know that you don't have any fucking importance in others' life, just don't waste time to make your place in their life. But focus on yourself so that you can be the one you want to be. Uh, as far as it about me, so yes, as I told you, I'm going to work hard, harder, and every day I will increase it. Every day I will increase it. But what is required is mental strength, toughness. But it is not going to be others kind of, it is not going to influence others. It is not going to relate with others. It is just going to be a personal, most confidential process or kind of journey till boards. I have to study, I will study. और उस हद तक मैं जाऊँगा जहाँ तक मैं जा सकता हूँ. और ऑफ कोर्स हमारा पोटेंशियल तो एटमोस्ट है ना, और हमारा पोटेंशियल तो अनडिफाइंड है. जितना भी क्रिएट करो इट विल बी इंक्रीजिंग. सो यही है, बस इतना सा चेंज है कि अब किसी को शो करने के लिए नहीं, किसी को प्रूव करने के लिए नहीं, और किसी को दिखाने के लिए भी नहीं. ठीक है, और ना रिजल्ट के लिए. अब जर्नी है उस लास्ट पेपर तक की जहाँ मैं बैठा हूँगा और मैं लिख रहा हूँ. राइट राइट सर. ओके ओके. बट हमारे पास अभी भी कुछ समय बचा है, तो हम किस बारे में बात कर सकते हैं. हम बात यही कर सकते हैं, इस बारे में कर सकते हैं दैट कुछ भी हो जाए हमें कंसिस्टेंट रहना पड़ेगा. हमारे पास लिमिटेड टाइम है, लिमिटेड डेज हैं, और आज तो लोगों 10 है ना, तो लो आज तो ये भी गया. राइट. बहुत कम टाइम है हमारे पास. देखते ही देखते 2 पॉइंट गायब हो गए. एंड यस, देखा जाए तो सफिशिएंट टाइम तो है, लेकिन अगर यूटिलाइजेशन किया तो ही सफिशिएंट है. और ज़्यादा ड्रामेबाजी करी तो भैया समय तो समय है, जाना तो है ही. उसको यूज़ कर लो, यूटिलाइज कर लो, या फिर वेस्ट कर लो. जहाँ तक बात है इंग्लिश कन्वर्सेशन की, तो एवरी डे आई विल बी हेयर ऑन टाइम, एंड as the time is completed for today, so bye. Okay, bye.